Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Keandra, also known as Key. And if you are new, make sure to go down below, hit that subscribe button as well as the bell button so that you'll be notified every time that I post a new video. In today's video, I'm going to be talking about my first paycheck from YouTube. And I'm also going to share with you all how I started my YouTube channel. So first I'm going to give a quick little rundown on how I was able to get my first paycheck from YouTube and kind of what I had to go through and all of that stuff, and then we'll talk about some little tips and gems on how I got started with my YouTube channel. So because of you all, I have gained a lot of subscribers and a lot of views on my channel, so I was able to monetize my videos. So I did get my first check from YouTube. This is not an actual check, but this is what they sent me in the mail in order to verify me being able to get payments. So in order to monetize your videos, you have to at least have 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours. My subscribers kind of just grew out of nowhere. I just started getting a lot of subscribers and a lot of views on this certain video, which is my sewing tutorial, how to make a smock tube top. That video has a lot of views, and that is where most of my subscribers have come from. Once I reached 1,000 subscribers and once I reached 4,000 watch hours, I was able to kind of see if I could qualify for monetization through Google AdSense. You can't get paid or get your first check until you reach a threshold of $100 and stuff like that. So obviously I reached that threshold and I was a little bit past that as well, so that's how I was able to get paid. So I kind of do want to share with you all how much I made on my first paycheck and stuff like that, because I know that it's something that most people really look forward to knowing and seeing and stuff like that through YouTube videos and stuff. So this is not clickbait. I'm actually going to show you how much I made on my first paycheck. So what I'm going to do is I am actually going to go on Google AdSense. I actually have the app on my phone, so I'm just going to go on Google AdSense and show you all how much I've made. And as you can see, I don't know if the camera is focusing, but it says $151.62. So that is how much I have made. So yeah, my first paycheck was $151.62. And yeah, so without further ado, let's just go on to talking about how I started my channel. So the first thing I want to talk about is why I started my channel. I started my channel because I wanted to showcase things that I like to do, my hobbies and all of that stuff. I really love fashion. I love to sew. I like, doing natural hair tutorials, beauty, lifestyle, etc., all that stuff. I kind of just wanted to share with you all like just my life and things that I like to do and my hobbies and just things that I enjoy doing that I'm sure you all would like to see. And I just couldn't stick to one type of category. I know a lot of people say when you start your channel, stick to one thing, but sometimes it can kind of get hard because sometimes people get tired of saying the same things. My channel is mostly about fashion and stuff like that, but I get a lot of questions about my hair and stuff, so I decided to incorporate natural hair tutorials and stuff like that onto my channel, along with fashion hauls and outfits and sewing tutorials and things like that. My channel isn't gonna only be just sewing tutorials. I'm gonna do other stuff because sewing tutorials can take up quite some time. It can be kind of tedious and take a very long time, so I appreciate most of you all being very patient with me when it comes to filming sewing tutorials, but that's not the only thing that my channel is going to consist of. I decided to just go ahead and start my channel because I always said I wanted to start a YouTube channel and stuff like that. So I just stopped saying I want to start a YouTube channel and I just did it. A lot of people always say they want to start a YouTube channel, but they never take the actions to actually go about starting it and stuff like that. Like, it doesn't take much to start a channel or make videos and all of that stuff. So I just decided to just go ahead and make videos, and I made videos in the past, but I decided to just delete those videos and I kind of just started fresh like a couple years ago and started taking it a little bit more serious. When I first started watching YouTube, what really inspired me to like actually start making videos, well, the people that actually inspired me to start making videos was Simply Nessa 15 and Lacetti XR, are the two YouTubers who inspired me to make YouTube videos. I would watch their videos all the time, and I was just kind of obsessed with watching their videos that I kind of wanted to do the same thing as well. So before I actually started working on my YouTube channel, I actually started making a list of videos that I actually wanted to put on my channel. So I had like a whole journal, and I made like a list of hair videos I wanted to make. I had a list of fashion videos I wanted to make, a list of sewing tutorials I want to make, a list of beauty, lifestyle, etc. And I still have a notebook that has my videos split up into those kinds of categories. That way I can just choose what videos I want to make. I also did my research as far as what I would need to start a YouTube channel and how to just go about everything. I also made sure to watch and learn from other YouTubers. I kind of watched how they did their videos. So I just made sure to do my research, look online, watched a lot of videos, and just see how I can do just the same. So I made sure to do research on what kind of cameras to get, what kind of lighting, backdrops, what music I can use in my videos, because you have to be careful with the music you use as well, because you don't want to get a copyright claim or a copyright strike or anything like that. So starting out, when I first started my YouTube channel, I would actually record on my iPhone, but then I asked for an actual camera for Christmas, and I actually film on that camera occasionally, which is what I'm filming on right now. I have a Nikon L840. So before then, I was using my iPhone to record. Then I asked for an actual camera for my YouTube channel. I use that here and there. I don't use it all the time, so mostly I do use my iPhone, but occasionally when I do sit down videos, tips and advice videos, I would use my camera. Starting out, when I started my YouTube channel, I made videos mostly that I wanted to make, videos that I enjoyed and stuff like that, and I still prefer to make videos like that, and I still recommend you to just have fun and make videos that you like to make. But then as your channel grow and you get more subscribers and you get more views on your videos, then people will actually start to comment and request videos that they want to see and that they want to see you do. I still make videos that I want to make just by having fun and just doing videos that I like to do, but I also take into consideration what my subscribers want to see as well. So I made videos that related to my life that I like to do, such as like fashion, obviously, and lifestyle. And at the time when I started actually being serious with my YouTube channel, I was still in college, so I would do videos like morning routines and night routines while I was at school. I tried to promote my channel as much as I could. I tried to promote it on Instagram, and I tried promoting it on Twitter and stuff like that. And that's mostly the two social media platforms that I put them on, because that's mostly what I use the most, and I still use them the most today. So really all I needed to start my YouTube channel is a camera, something to edit on, and some content to film. All you need is something to film on, your phone, maybe an inexpensive camera, something to edit on, and some content to actually film. One other thing that I would add to this as far as making a YouTube channel is you need confidence. Now, I get this question a lot of times because I am a really socially awkward person, and I'm really shy. I can be shy in person. So a lot of people who know me personally ask me, how do I have a YouTube channel? And the thing is, I think about it this way. I'm actually talking to myself right now. I'm talking to a camera. The camera can't talk back to me. So basically I'm talking to myself. I'm talking to something that can't talk back. The only time I'm actually talking to an audience is when I post the video. So that's why editing softwares are so important, because if you don't like something, or if you don't want someone to see a certain clip in the film that you recorded, all you can do is just edit that out, cut it out, and you will be fine. And that they're afraid of talking or speaking in front of a camera. But like I said, just think of it as talking to yourself or talking to something that can't talk back. And I still do this today. When you first start your YouTube channel, you're gonna mess up a lot of times. You're gonna keep recording over and over and over and stuff like that, which is what I do still sometimes. But when you constantly keep filming videos and stuff like that, if you mess up, you're just gonna forget about it and just make sure to cut that out when you edit it. Or you're gonna get so used to talking in front of the camera that you won't even have any mess ups as much as you did when you first started making videos. All I needed was my phone or a camera to record on, something to edit my videos on, some content so that people can actually watch your videos. You need something to actually film, and you need confidence. And so those are the main 4 things that you need in order to start your YouTube channel, or those are the 4 things that I needed to start my YouTube channel. And those are the tips on how I started my YouTube channel and stuff like that. I will have other videos and more detailed videos on how to start a YouTube channel and, you know, stuff like that. So be on the lookout for those videos. And yeah, if you enjoyed this video, make sure to give a thumbs up. Make sure to comment, like, subscribe, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.